Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for this episode, I want to talk about this product that I'm wearing right here because I saw a lot of you guys commenting on the video about asking like how well it's performing and like how well it's fitting and like whether or not it's actually waterproof. So let me actually show you guys the actual full track jacket right here first before we talk more about it itself. So if you guys can see, this is basically what it looks like right here. So I have the blue one and the black one. I feel like the black color, it looks good on almost any kind of outfit and whatever. You guys can see the little Adidas logo right there, the 3 stripes logo right here. You guys get like 2 pockets right here, if you guys can see. The back part, this is what it looks like. One of the biggest issues that I have for like any kind of like jacket or any kind of like shirt in general, there's a lot of these little fabric that comes off right here in the bottom part right here of the jacket. Because when you guys are sitting down, lying on somewhere, especially if you guys like sweat a lot, it creates all those fabrics and start getting loose. But it's not like a big issue because this happens for almost any kind of fabric, for any kind of like shirt, jacket, pants. It happens almost for any kind of fabric. So if you guys don't remember, I actually reviewed a product that can actually help with that. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is the product that I always use to help remove any of those unwanted fabrics on the actual jacket, shirt, pants, almost anything that has that issue. You can basically use this on that. If you guys never seen that video of me testing it out, you should definitely check it out. But any kind of like fabric shaver similar to this product right here can actually help a lot. So that way you guys don't have to keep buying like a new jacket every single time, because there's nothing wrong with your jacket when those fabric comes off. You just have to shave it off and clean it as like new and you guys are fine. But the overall jacket itself definitely feels amazing, super comfortable. I wouldn't suggest like just wearing this if you guys going somewhere that's super cold. Like don't do what I did if you guys saw my Japan video where I only wore this, because I was freezing when I went to Japan wearing just this. And the reason why I didn't bring any other jacket at the time was because I didn't expect to go to Japan at the time. That was like a last minute thing that I just decided because I've never been to Japan and I really wanted to. So I was like, I have 1 week to do anything I want to, so why not just go to Japan? So I just decided to go to Japan last minute, and I was wearing this and I was freezing most of the time because it was so cold and it was raining. But if you have to go in somewhere that's like kind of like breezy and windy, but you guys don't want to wear too much of the layers, but you guys still want to be a little bit warm, this one can definitely help with that, but won't keep you like super warm. And then for the question about whether or not it's actually waterproof, the jacket itself is not waterproof. So if you guys want it to be waterproof, then get a different jacket. This is not a waterproof jacket. There are some jackets out there that Adidas actually sells that is water resistant or waterproof. I actually tested a few of them that are like a rain jacket. If you guys want to go check those out, then definitely do. I'll put in the description box down below if you guys want to check those jackets out. So those are the main questions that I received from you guys in my comments and everything. So now that we did a quick update about the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually still worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that it's worth it because I use it almost every single day. If you guys watch my videos, you can see me wearing this almost every single time in all my videos. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have no need for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's just a quick update about the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout, there we have